Hey guys, Zakk here from MixChecks.com. Welcome back to this free gospel mixing course. Today we are going to be working on the synth sounds and string sounds, and there's a few bell sounds. It's all, just kind of electronic instruments, but we are going to be dialing those in our mix and making them sit nice and well with all of our acoustic instruments. So let's jump right in. The final few things we have instrument-wise. That's just bells, strings, synth lead. I'm hoping that I don't really have to do much to these. Okay, that thing's really piercing. I lied. We gotta do something to it. Jeez, okay. I'm gonna stereo pan it. And then I'm thinking we don't need this too crazy loud in the mix. Jeez, that thing is piercing up there. All right. Busting out the big boy tools, Logic EQ. Okay, so it's just going to be kind of felt more than actually heard. Fine with that. This thing is crazy, like an ice pick in your ear. Okay, I'm good with that. I'm good where it is in the stereo image. It was already kind of panned a little bit that way. That's fine. Let's find this first string run-ups. What? Okay. There appears to be nothing on this track. Less for us to worry about. So this will be the only strings. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. It's nice in stereo, so we'll leave it that way. I don't want this interfering at all with my bass, so I'm just high passing this thing all the way. This one has some boxiness to it, just a little bit, so I am going to pull out somewhere around 500. Just kind of smooth out that sound. I'll let you hear the before and after real quick. So you might think, wow, it sounds better without your processing, but let's hear what it sounds like in the mix. Still think it's even a little too loud. Okay, let's see what this synth right here is doing. Yep, so let's run it through PX console. I definitely high pass this one pretty hard. Turn the V gain down, turn the gate off. Let's open this up a little bit. Okay. This thing, for me, it's a little too in the middle. So this is a point where I can whip out the real ADT. Is this a stereo track? Yes. So we're going to do the real ADT stereo. And this thing is a kind of a combination of the Haas, however you say it, effect, plus an LFO, which slightly modulates the pitch of one side so that it sounds more like two separately played instruments on each side. So now it's a little bit more stereo, get it out of the way of anything that might be happening in the middle, which is where we want our kick, snare, bass, and vocal to be. And then finally, whoa, all right. Get that out of the way of the bass. Turn the gate off, don't need that. Turn the V gain down, all right. This thing seems pretty dynamic, so I'm going to compress it. All right, so some of those hits are even popping through the compressor. Yeah, we need to control this even more, so let's whip out our CLA 76. Crazy fast attack. Can even fasten the release. Man. Let's put this all buttons in. All right. So that took care of it. Just had to put it in all buttons in mode to really smash it and turn it into a brick wall limiter and just not let any of those crazy synth hits above there. Okay. So we have all of our instruments mixed now, but let's move further in the song and see if we notice any issues. I do think the bass is a little hot right now. And then one thing I want to do is on the BX console. So right now, since we've been doing them one at a time, we've been introducing these same channels on the TM tolerance modulating technology, whatever the heck they call it, I don't know. So it's only sampled one channel of an SSL, but if you do random all, now it's emulated multiple channels like we're actually mixing on the desk. Okay, just minor tweaks. Okay. In my professional opinion, I think it's sounding pretty good right now. I'm going to go reference it, against some commercial copyrighted music, so I can't put it on YouTube. But I'm going to get another opinion for where I'm at, make sure I'm not crazy far off since referencing the last time. And after that, we'll move into kind of adding reverb and room sound to the instruments to just kind of glue them together just a little bit more. I'm kind of digging, where this is with the dry sounds, but I'm going to try to feather in just a little bit of room sound to give it an extra flavor. So I'll see you guys in the next video.